time, as we enter into the meditational segment, I just want us to close our eyes, go inward into that inner Christed altar in the higher mind. Just close your eyes, center yourselves in those chairs. Place your hands in your lap in an upward position to receive the grace that's all around you. The grace, the love, the light that we bring by our very presence into this chapel, this sacred space. And let's take a deep breath in. Beautiful. Let that breath out to Mother Earth. Deep breath in. Let out all of your worries and concerns to Mother Earth. She receives. And last breath in. Let all of the concerns and chaos, the darkness in your life go to Mother Earth, who receives, neutralizes, and harmonizes them beautifully. A beautiful Mother Earth, she receives. A beacon of beautiful blue light in this galaxy, in the solar system. She radiates her light, her life, her very spiritual presence out into the universe. The mother sustainer, the mother provider, the mother birther, the mother transformer and restorer. All she has to do is simply reflect what is already coming towards her. The light of other stars, the light of phenomena, the light of radiation, the light from the spiritual realms. She's a beacon because she simply mirrors what is coming towards her from the universe. Mother Earth does not generate her own light source. And in a way, we are each beautiful body planets on our journeys through the solar system of life. And all we have to do is radiate what is already within, that essence of divinity that's in. It's really curious as we go about our days and we find our days to be so uplifting and beautiful. It is because the light that is already inside you, the essence of divinity, the essence of the angels, the essence of God, has already been sent out. And as we emit this beautiful radiation, this frequency, this vibration of light, it's mirrored back to us from other body planets. So the people we come across are just as beautiful as the light that we emit, just as loving as the light that we emit, just as kind and uplifting and helpful and supportive. And that's really the word today. The light that is within us parts the darkness of our ignorance, the darkness of not knowing, the darkness of trouble or fear. What is fear? But false evidence appearing real. It's a mistruth. It's really a sin against our nature to believe in fear. If we are divinity itself in expression, why do we believe in fear? The false evidence appearing real. We have to make the effort in our daily lives to look at a situation or a person or a thing or a thought. We have to shine the light of understanding and knowledge and wisdom and action on that situation, on that person, on that thing. Parting the darkness. Finding the golden nugget of truth. Why is this in my life today? Why do I feel the struggle and the challenge of this vibration, this experience? What does it mean for me today? How do I overcome it? How do I walk through the fire of this situation? And on the other side, I come out beautiful. I come out perfect and whole and in harmony. Knowing that that struggle, that bump in the road, if you will, that the challenge was placed there probably by my higher self. by my spiritual guides and teachers and masters in the higher realms. My soul probably asked for that life situation. God doesn't do anything to us. God is not a person. God is an all-pervasive force we exist inside of, because of, and through. And so anything that we experience in this life is really just something that our soul needs to learn from, to grow from, to uplift from, to walk through, to heal from, to learn from. And as we do that, we grow, we raise our spiritual frequency, our light gets brighter. And that's how we heal with the light. That's how we heal with light. The light of knowing, the light of understanding, the light of perception. Using our internal GPS system and God positioning system, use your intuition to find the karmic moment of learning, of overcoming, of greatness. The phoenix of you is already inside you. You just got to let it free. You've got to burn bright in order for that phoenix to come forward to transform your life. Are you willing to look into the fire, into the darkness, shining your light of wisdom, your metaphysical understanding, to perceive the greatness that's already within you, all around you, the greatness in you? That is our point of healing. That is the seed I planted in the beautiful garden of your mind today. To remember the power of light is so strong that one tiny being totally disrupts darkness. Darkness cannot exist with even one tiny being of light. It changes its state forever. Turn your light into your life to look in areas where you can find betterment, areas where you struggle. Those are opportunities for soul advancement, healing and growth and more love. Nourish it. And just love these thoughts this morning, because they are a part of the garden of your life forevermore. You can call on this memory, this day, here with your brothers and sisters, and remember the symbols and the feelings that were evoked with my words, with this guidance. Know that you're never alone. The angels are with you. Your spiritual guides and masters and teachers are with you. Your loved ones in the higher realms are with you. God is always with you because you are God in expression. With this seed of truth planted, beginning to grow and to just become what it's going to become, let's take a deep breath and let's hold this in our spirit. Deep breath in, holding in our spirit strongly, staying bright. Let that breath out. And just as we do that, we just maintain this beautiful light of truth today. Begin to move your fingers, your toes, opening your beautiful, beautiful eyes. Welcome back.